Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, no human hands on the wheel. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But back in 1939, during the New York World and #039's fair, the idea was not only imagined, it was showcased to the public. The #039, Futurama and #039 exhibit at the fair was designed by General Motors and showcased an optimistic vision of the future. Among the jaw-dropping innovations was the idea of self-driving cars. People were introduced to the concept of vehicles that could navigate streets without human input. The cars of tomorrow were expected to communicate with each other, making traffic jams a thing of the past. No more honking, no more accidents, just smooth, efficient travel through intelligently designed roadways. At the time, this was pure imagination. The technology simply didn't exist. But General Motors didn't just dream about it, they made it real, at least in concept, laying the groundwork for the self-driving cars we're starting to see today. Fast forward over 80 years, and we're seeing the dream come closer to reality with today and #039's self-driving cars. While the road to fully autonomous vehicles is still being paved, the vision from 1939 was a glimpse into a future that many once thought was impossible. From the World's Fair to the highways of today, self-driving cars continue to evolve, proving that some dreams, no matter how futuristic, can become the reality of tomorrow. What will the world look like in another 80 years? Only time will tell.